Hi students, my name is Shet. I am from Manavara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 9th standard, that is construction. In construction we already discussed about angle bisectors, perpendicular bisectors and making an angle 60 degree or other angles, and also we discussed about to construct a triangle when we have a base and base angle and sum of other two sides. So in last video we are discussing about to construct a triangle when we have a base angle and difference of other two sides. So but in that case, so we have to consider AB is greater than AC. So here we have to consider, so AB is less than AC or AC is greater than AB. So let us take the case 2 of this construction 11.5, that is to construct a triangle given its base angle and difference of other two sides. In that we have, it is given base angle, it is given difference of other two sides also given. So in that we have a second case, that is when AC is greater than AB. So what we have to do, so that one we have to discuss. So let us consider case 2. Let us consider case 2, that is AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB. In that AC minus AB we have to take. So here we have to take AC minus AB because, so when we take AC minus AB, then the length will be positive, otherwise it is negative. Negative length we can't take like that. So it is difficult to take. We can't, it is not existed actually. Negative length. Yes. So here we have the thing. Along with the steps we have to construct the triangle. So consider the steps. So step 1. So step 1 is same for all those construction, that is draw a base AB, draw a base BC and construct angle B such that, so and constraint join XB, so BX, join BX such that angle XBY is equal to angle B. So just we have to draw a base BC here. So whatever the length it is given, so you have to take the right length. Yes, this is BC. Here it is BC. Here I will take above part of that one. So because for the construction we have to take this type, and here so we have the BC here. Yes, so we already know that you have to draw a, then you have to draw a angle. So whatever the angle you have, so you can use the protractor, also you can use the compass. When you forgot the protractor to take in the examination, so you can use the compass as well. So here I will draw a curve like this. It intersects BC at a point. So taking the same radius, you have to cut this line and cut this point here. So here there is no any condition of you have to take the less than 60 degree, no. So you can take any angle here for this. So here, so better to take up to 60 degree. Okay, so here I will take the 60 degree angle like this. Yes. So here we have the angle XBY. So here it is X. Here it is X we have. So then, so we have to take the another step, that is, but here it is the difference is, so we have to extend this line in the backward direction. Here we have to extend this line in the backward direction. This is the different steps we have here in this case. So here we have to extend this step in the backward direction. So you can take up to here also, you can take. So here we have to take in the backward direction. Yes. So step 2. Step 2, extend BX. Extend BX in the backward direction. Extend BX in the backward direction and cut the line at D is equal to AC minus AB. So that means here we have to take a length of AC minus AB. So that one we have to cut here. So that is taking B as a center, we have to cut the line, cut this line at the point D here. So this line you have to cut. So from B, so you have to take the length of BD here. So then we have to take the same procedure. So let's take DC. So you can join DC here. You can join DC here. And join DC, then you have to take the perpendicular bisector here. Just observe, this is just opposing these two, that's why. So we can easily construct the perpendicular bisector. When you take the perpendicular bisector, it intersects BX easily. So that we can take easily above the 60 degree, below the 60 degree, whatever we have. So it is possible here. So only in construction 11.5 case 1. So when we take the below 60 degree value, so then we can easily construct the triangle. Otherwise, so the limit, so we have to think about the limit, how much limit we have. So that's why. So here we have to draw DC, join DC, and then so we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So step 3. So it is same, join DC and construct a perpendicular bisector of DC which intersects BX at A. Which intersects BX at A. So here we have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Firstly, we have to take the length of BC more than half of this DC. So that is, we have to take the radius. So more than half of DC. So you have to draw a curve in the both the sides of DC, taking D as a center as well as C as also a center. So here we have to draw a curve like this, and here also you have to draw a curve like this, and taking C as a center. So here also you have to draw a curve. First I will take like this here, and then here. Yes, then so taking D as C as a center, so we have to cut the previously drawn curve. Here it intersects, and here taking the same radius. Here also you have to cut the same, that arc. Previously we have the arc, so that one, those arcs we have to cut taking C as a center, and then so we have to join the intersecting points, those two intersecting points here. So here we have the perpendicular bisector. So this point is A, then we have to join AC. So we have the triangle ABC. So here we have the triangle ABC. So here step 4 is join AC and ABC is a required triangle. Yes. So ABC is a required triangle. So here we have to take the angle, and here we have to take the length of BC, and then we have to take the same procedure. But the thing is, so after drawing BX, so we have to extend this line in the backward direction, and we have to take the length of, we have to cut the line BD. So we have to cut this line at the point of BD, which is equal to AC minus AB. Then we have to draw DC, and we have to take the perpendicular bisector of DC which intersects BX at A, and we have to join the points AC. So then we have the ABC triangle here. So we have the ABC required triangle here with the same measurements of BC, base angle B, and AC minus AB. So let us take one example based on this construction. Example for this construction 11.5 in case 2. So here we have to construct a triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 6 cm, base angle it is given, base is given, and base angle Q is equal to 60 degree it is given, and PR minus VQ is equal to 2 cm it is given here. So using those information, so you have to construct a triangle. So you can construct your own. So just pause the video, you can draw yourself, no problem. And those who are having doubts, so you can see here, or you can verify after the construction also. Yes, so let's take the construction. So here we have QR, base is equal to 6 cm. So let's take 6 cm here. So you have to take with your scale. So I am taking that scale here. So I am not referring the scale. So centimeter, when I draw centimeter here, so it's not visible. So here it is 6 cm means here only. So that's why I just referring that scale. So you have to take your scale only. Here I will take. So at the middle of that one, so I will take the base. Here I will take, and then so I have to take the value of 6 cm distance. So here I have the scale, my scale. Yes. So then, so I will cut this line at a length of 6 cm. Yes, here I have to cut. Yes, this is the 6 cm distance. So 6 cm length is the base of this triangle ABC. So it is BC. Then, so we have to construct an angle 60 degree at B here. So here we have to take any radius. Don't disturb the radius after up to the construction of 60 degree. So here we have to take B as a center, and you have to draw a curve like this, or you can use the protractor also. It is also possible. When you are forgotten that protractor, then you can use this compass, or you can take this protractor also. So here you have to take like this. So this point must be, this line must be coincide with this line, and this point will be here, and here you have to take 60 degree. So here we have the 60 degree. So those who have the protractor, and those who are not having that protractor, you can use this making an angle procedure here. So you have to take P as a center and draw a curve here, and then taking same radius, intersecting point as a center, and just cut that previously drawn curve and then join. So that is also possible here. So those two will be intersect at the same point, same line. Yes. So here it is BX. We have, so initially, so just observe here we have QR. So that's why I am just taking QR here. So not BC, it is QR. I am taking as QR is equal to 6 cm, and here we have the QX here. Yes, then we have to extend the line in the backward direction. Already we know that we have to extend the line in the backward direction here. So likewise, so we have to take, and here I have to cut this line of a length 2 cm. So here we have 2 cm length. Yes, it's a 2 cm length. Here I will cut the taking Q as a center, and here I will cut the point. So here I will take it as Y. Yes. Then I will join this YR. I will join this YR here. Yes. We have, so then we have to construct a perpendicular bisector of this YR which intersects QX at a point A. So let us take that one. So perpendicular bisector means we have to take a radius more than half of this YR, and you have to draw two arcs on both sides of the line. You are don't disturb this radius, and you have to draw an arc in the either side of this YR, taking R as the center, and then so taking Y as the center, we have to draw a curve, so we have to cut the curve, previously drawn curve here like this, and here it is not curve, here it is not, the arc intersects here, so here it is we have, and here we have to extend, here we have to extend this line. Yes, so here we have two intersecting points, so we have to join these two intersecting points which passes through the line bx. Yes, here we have the intersecting line, intersecting points, two intersecting points we have, so we drawn a perpendicular bisector which intersects YR as well as this QR as well as this BX line, so which perpendicular bisector intersects BX at P here, so then we have to join PR. We have to join PR here. So then PQR is our required triangle. PQR is our required triangle. So be careful about that one. So we have a QR, so we have to mention that only QR. So Q. Then we have to make an angle of 60 degree. So it is given, it is 60 degree angle it is given. So we have to construct 60 degree, and then we have to extend that line in the backward direction. So then we have to cut that line at a point Y with QR equal to this PR minus PQ. So at that length, so using that length, so we have to cut this line, and then we have to join this YR. Then we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of this YR which intersects BX at P. Then we have to join PR. So then we have the required triangle PQR. So using this procedure we have to draw a construction. So this is the last part of this construction in your syllabus, especially in 2020, because the last part of the construction it is removed from the syllabus, that is construction 11.6. So that's why I will conclude this lesson here. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home.